Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a ravioli with red clam sauce. Cheese ravioli with red clam sauce from scratch. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. Okay, first things first is the sauce, olive oil, butter, garlic. Then you're going to get that going. Throw in your tomatoes. Excellent. And after they're cooking up, throw in your anchovies. Don't leave the cover in there. Then, of course, your clams. Then you're going to add a bottle of wine. This is a nice red zin. And then you're going to be covering it up, stir it, and let it simmer for 3 hours. Okay, you've seen me do this before many times. Okay, you make a volcano, throw in your eggs. And then, of course, you're going to add oil, water, and then you're going to make your snowball, and then oil up your snowball, and get ready to roll it out and get to it. This is a lot of dough here, and it took some time and some doing, but you have to do the same thing. You know, it's pasta, so roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, until you get it to the consistency that you're looking for. And now that you found that, you're going to cut it in half, you're going to put one aside, and then you're going to be rolling the other one out with your tapered rolling pin. Roll, flip, roll, flip, roll, flip, roll, flip, throw a little flour down, roll, flip, and then of course with your tapered rolling pin you want to keep it as uniform as possible until it's transparent. And you're going to be using eyeball engineering to do this. You're going to be dolloping out your ricotta cheese onto your beautiful pastry. You're going to cut the top off and then mop the bottom with water as a glue. And then you're going to flip the top over, and then you're going to force the air out of them. This is kind of a delicate maneuver here with the ricotta cheese. And then you're going to cut them up into pieces and get ready to fork them. And then, of course, to use a good seal, you got to really press that fork into them, and then put them aside, and then you're going to get them ready to trim up into beautiful ovoid pieces. Look at that, huh? And then after you've cut them all up, you're going to set them aside on a dry rack and let them dry while your sauce cooks down. 3 hours later, and I took our beautiful sauce and put it into our nice saucepan in the front there so I could use the pot for pasta. We're going to be throwing some salt in there, adding our beautiful raviolis, which have dried out very well. And then, of course, on the front saucepan, we're going to put our cherry stone clams in there and get ready to serve. 12 minutes. Okay, you got 12 minutes, so you know what you're going to do. We're going to be making a nice salad here. I'm using arugula greens, olive oil, arugula greens, garlic, Kalamata olives, little pepperoncini, some feta cheese, good to go. And of course the garlic bread is ready to go. It's plate up time. First things first, we're going to put down the ravioli and give you a little close-up of this beautiful red clam sauce. Dollop on a couple of scoops. Add some fresh oregano from the garden with some garlic. Throw down your clams, add your garlic bread. Finish it off with a round of citron, and there you have it. Mama NERI'S ravioli with red clam sauce. Served on a Greek salad with cherry stone clams and garlic bread. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.